Good evening to all. My name is Sudipto Bhui and I am here for a last month, for 1 month, and today I am going to share before you my last month experience in J3S Institute. Uh, I came to know about J3S Institute from my elder sister and one of my local friends. So when I get aware of this institute, I felt very much excited and I wanted to join here to learn spoken English. But when I came here on 2nd September in the morning, uh, I was having a little conversation with our sir, and then I saw that there are lots of younger brothers and sisters in the classroom and they were speaking so fluently, and seeing them I get nervous. And after that I was asked by sir to join my class in the evening time. When I came here in the evening, I was asked by an elder brother to introduce myself before him. But as I don't know how to introduce myself before any person, then I asked him that how should I have to say. Then he taught me how should I have to tell my introduction. Then after that I tried my best to give or to tell my introduction class. Thereafter, I was asked to join a group, and there also I was asked about my introduction as it was my first day, so they were new to me, and I was also new to them. Uh, I was literally bit nervous and confused with everything what was going on, and I told them that I could not speak so fluently today as it's my first day, and but I will give my level best. At the time, it was a storytelling class, and I was asked to make eye contact with each and every student present in the group while giving the story telling class. But I could not make it. I could not make any eye contact with others. I was looking here and there while speaking the story. Uh, but on the second day it happened also. Uh, from the next day or from the third day, I realized that I have to speak fluently. I have to make eye contact with each and every students so that everyone will feel comfortable with me. But I was not ready to make eye contact as I feel some nervousness inside me when I will make eye contact. At that time, I was given strength that you can do it and you can also speak very fluently as you are from English medium school. So I was collecting my strength day by day, and thereafter, when some days passed, I really felt from my inside heart that yes, I am growing up. I am doing my best, or I am giving my best in front of a group, or in a storytelling class, or in a debate class. So from that very day, I really felt happy that I have joined J3S Institute to learn something, or to take something from here that I will that it will help me in my future. As the days passed, I was I was powering up myself so that I can deal with every situation. I can cope up with every situation I will face in my future, or at present what I am facing. After that, in the last part of the month, I really got success. At that time I can make eye contact with each and every student, and I can also speak very fluently in front of a group. From that very day, I felt very much excited that I have joined J3S to learn spoken English, and my pronunciation problems will also be cured here. I was happy for that. I was very much joyous, and uh, I am here today to share my whole experience, my last month journey in JTS. So, as I have told you that uh, it's a very great institute to learn spoken English, and this institute has become an emotion and a love for me nowadays. That without uh, any class, or if I miss any class in JTS, then obviously I will feel sad for that. So that's all about my first month journey in JTS Institute. Thank you.